Welcome to the video. As you know, guests can make reservations in a variety of ways, such as through OTAs, hotel websites, travel agents, or by calling directly to the hotel. Regardless of the booking method, the front office staff is responsible for recording the guest data and making a booking into the property management system. Suppose the guest is calling to reception for a reservation, and if the rooms are available, then the receptionist continues to take all the necessary details like their name, phone no, and mail ID. Then the receptionist start booking the room. So now let's understand how we can perform this reservation process in the PMS software. To begin, we will click on the Reservation tab located on the quick link. Once you're on the reservation page, select the date the guest has made a reservation for. Then, choose the room category, meal plan, and rate plan that you prefer. Next, select the number of rooms and the number of adults that will be staying in each room. Here you need to indicate the price of each night and whether you want to include the tax or exclude it. Also, you can find the breakup of room details on this page as well. Additionally, you will be required to enter the guest's phone number. If the guest is an existing user, you can search for their profile using their phone number. In this case, you don't have to fill all the details manually again. Next, enter the guest's name, email ID, guest address, estimated time of arrival, and reference, if any. It's important to note that these fields are optional, and you can proceed with the booking by simply clicking on Book Now. Once you've completed all the necessary fields, your reservation will be created and you will get a notification for the successful booking, and the same notification will go to the guest as well. Now we will look at when guests have arrived at the hotel for their check-in, the guest who had already made their reservation and the data is already there in PMS. Upon arrival, first the guest is greeted by the staff, then they are taken through the check-in process, which involves verifying their booking details, confirming their identification, and collecting any necessary payments. Now we will explain how to perform a check-in in our PMS. Firstly, click on the Check-in tab. You can see the list of guests who are scheduled to check in today. It's time to confirm the guest's arrival and proceed with their check-in process. Now, it's time to enter all the details of the guest's booking, including their arrival and departure information. Don't forget to enter their origin and destination, where they are coming from and where they will go after checkout as per the hotel guideline. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the purpose of their visit. But, don't worry, this field is optional and can be skipped if necessary. Once that's done, you'll see the price details, and you can choose to collect the payment at the time of check-in or add the amount to their room and collect it anytime till checkout. And, if your client wishes to pay a partial amount at the time of check-in, you can collect it and record it there. It's time to assign the guest's room, and make sure to enter their age and gender. Additionally, you can upload their ID proof document. And, if you already have the document on your phone, you can simply scan it to speed up the check-in process. Finally, once you've completed all the necessary fields, you will get a notification for the successful check-in. And, with just a click, you can print the GRC, guest registration card, for the guest. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the check-in. The guest will receive a welcome message on the mobile number entered during check-in. When the guest clicks on the link, it will redirect them to the property details.